It's Igbo o'clock. Let's learn some sentences in Igbo language and their response. Kaiga. Bia were. Bia come. Were take. Bia were come and take. Bia ka gwa gị. Bia ka gwa gị. Bia come ka let me gwa tell gị you. Come, let me tell you. Bia ka gwa gị. Bia wetere m ihe. Bia wetere m ihe. Bia come wetere m bring or get me ihe something or thing. Bia wetere m ihe. Come bring something for me. Bia rie nri. Bia come rie eat nri food. Bia rie nri come eat food. And their responses: Anam abia. Anam I am. Abia coming. Anam abia I am coming. Ring the bell, subscribe for more.